Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a second video on a project I covered last week. This will be the post-launch video because they did start trading on exchanges a couple of days ago. So we'll discuss exactly how they've done so far. And if you're not familiar with this project, you really should be, because they have one of the biggest communities out there, especially for a new project. So what is it? It is Wall Street Memes. You might remember I did a video on them about 10 days ago, covering the last leg of their 3-month-long pre-sale, which raised a whopping $25 million. And the pre-sale was done just on their website, not through any launch pad or anything. The pre-sale was so successful. A lot of people in the comment section of my last video, they didn't think that the company even really raised $25 million. They were questioning it. They thought it sounded too 2017-esque, where companies would just sort of quickly raise $30 million and still trust, without people doing too much research into it. No, this company is legit. They raised $25 million. And the reason why they, were able to kind of generate so much support, they already had a huge community. So most new meme coins, they have a good narrative, but they don't have a community. They just put up the Twitter page and try to grow the community. This community, so they've had this Twitter page since October 2019. They have huge 286,000 followers. So this is one of the big pages of Twitter. And at the start of the pre-sale, they had about 200 to 250,000 followers. So this community was already huge before the pre-sale even started. They basically just decided, okay, well, this Twitter page would be perfect for a meme coin because it's Wall Street Memes. It's making memes, poking fun of Wall Street and big finance, big institutions, and big pharma. It's exactly the kind of stuff that crypto people rally against. And the meme element, well, meme coins, they've gotten big lately. So a company that, a page that is just made to make funny memes, that is crypto gold right there. So that's the reason that this company, this project, was able to raise so much money. But now the real question is, how have they done once they hit exchanges? So let's take a look right here. So with a pre-sale, remember, go right here. Is this, there we go. Yeah, so they're at $76 million market cap right here. That is very, very good. They were trending number one on Wall Street on the DEX tools earlier today. I'm not sure what they're trending right now, but they've been in the top 10 for most of the week. Now let's look at the price action right here. So with pre-sales, you have to worry about dumping in the beginning because a lot of people buy the pre-sale, the coins aren't vested, they just want to click flip, so they dump right after it starts trading. So this one here, it opened at 78 or 80 million market cap about 3 days ago. A little dump here, just a very little one, 10-50%. Then it immediately recovered, rose back up, and now it's been pretty flat, trending upward since then. It found a very nice floor at exactly 70 million. It's found good support at around 75 million. Right now it's at 76 million, which is pretty much just at the market cap level that was at when it got listed, 78 to 80 million. So this project has effectively had no dump whatsoever, which is especially impressive because these tokens were unlocked for the pre-sale investors. More on that in a minute. So let's see, 27,000 holders is a huge community, as mentioned. 0% buy tax, 0% sell tax. That's what you like to see. Perfect 99 out of 99 DEX T-score. We will talk about exchanges in a second. Had a big day today, up 11%. So, on this chart, it has lost zero momentum whatsoever. People are clearly holding. So now let's go back to, the vesting period. So the pre-sale, it was unvested. So the company encouraged you to stake your coins here for an up to 40% APY. You didn't have to. You could sell them. So some people chose to stake them and not sell them. Some people just don't want to sell because they think this project is going to go up. They don't want to miss out on gains. But for whatever the reason, as I mentioned, zero momentum has been lost. Other influencers are picking up on it. Jay Gagan, he covered it right here. He put up this, it was a full token. He said he would give a free token review for whoever had the most comments. He had 247,000 views here. And so a lot of projects were hitting up in the comments here, 40,000 comments. Wall Street Journal, the Wall Street meme community, they were the most commented project of all of them, which was hundreds or thousands of projects. So huge community, as mentioned. Now they have gotten on some big exchanges already, even though they just started trading a couple days ago. OKX, this was the big one here. This was announced a couple days ago. Trading is live for this coin. OKX, they're a big one. They're the number 6 biggest spot exchange in the world. They are, I believe, a Hong Kong, China-based exchange. Makes sense they'd be interested in this one because they do have a tendency to like U.S. retail-heavy projects, Wall Street memes, obviously, it's mostly a U.S. crowd, Wall Street, and it is 100% a retail crowd. The whole point of the project is making fun of Wall Street, making fun of big finance, big institutions. So no surprise, this project was on OKX's radar, and they were the first to list it. Now, they had some sort of exclusive listing agreement where the team, this team here, Wall Street Memes, cannot get listed on any other projects for at least a period of time, like the first week or two, I believe the first week right here. But what happened was something interesting happened. A bunch of exchanges in the top 25, top 30 just listed this coin on its own. So this is weird. This is a good thing because usually exchanges charge money to list a token. Sometimes when a project launches and it has so much momentum, so many trading volumes, so much traction, it's already been vetted, the exchanges will just list it on their own. They won't even reach out to the team. They won't demand any payments. They will barely even do due diligence because they already see that the project's been vetted by other exchanges, so they just listed it on their own. So Huobi listed it, LBank listed it, WooX listed it, BingX listed it, Bitmart listed it. This other Australia's top exchange, GroveX, just announced that they are listing it. So these are all or mostly all top 25 tier 1 exchanges. WooX, they even reached out to me. They asked me, they saw that I did a video. They're like, hey, Ben, what do you think? What do you think of this project here? You a fan? We're considering listing it. I say, yeah, absolutely. Big fan. I like it. It passed the due diligence test. List it. They ended up listing it right there because they couldn't get in touch with the team. So they were just reaching out to influencers who had covered it. So that's what I like to see. I put in the good word, team. Put in the good word. Now, they are going to announce other exchanges in 5 days. I'm putting out some tweets like 4 days from now. This was put up yesterday, 5 days. So the new exchanges, they have hinted that it's going to be tier 1 exchanges or a tier 1 exchange. I believe it will be different exchanges than these right here, the team. So it'll be exchanges that they have spoken to and are going to list in a mutual announcement. But it will not be OKX. It will not be any of these. It will be something new. That's what you want. You want new exchanges. Remember, they're also doing this $50,000 airdrop where 5 people split $50,000 worth of tokens. It's the top pinned tweets on their page if you want to check it out. Anyways, links will be at the bottom. Let me know if you're part of this community. Let me know what you think about Wall Street memes. Back tomorrow with a new video. Ben Crypto signing out. Catch you later.